In this video, I will show you how to pay on Amazon with PayPal. So you will see if I go to my cart on Amazon and then go to checkout, that right here there is no real option to select PayPal as my payment method. So you can click change. And then here you can see all the available payment methods. Now, if it does say PayPal for you right here, you can just select it. If not, you will need to do something else. And that is to go onto paypal.com/gifts. And from there, you can use your PayPal account to purchase an Amazon gift card. Now, right now I'm on the Australian website, but they have this for most countries. Now, if they don't have it in your specific country, then what you want to do is just search for buy Amazon gift card with PayPal, and you will find a bunch of websites that allow you to do this. For example, you have this one called Dundle, and on here you can then just buy an Amazon gift card. So it depends on the country you're from. For example, the United States, and then you can choose the amount, and then you can pay with PayPal, and it will then be sent to your email. So just go ahead and buy an Amazon gift card. Just make sure it's for the correct country that you are from and for the right amount that you want to buy it for. And then on Amazon, you can then enter the gift card code that you have gotten from the gift card that you paid for with PayPal, and enter that right here under your available balance, and then click enter a gift card, then click apply, and then it will be applied to your account and then be deducted from your purchase. Just make sure if you want to use PayPal for the entire payment that you also cover the shipping and estimated taxes, if applicable, in your purchase, because otherwise you will need to buy another gift card to also cover that. But that's how you can basically pay on Amazon with PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.